Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student and parents, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatma and I am your teacher of English of class 7. Dear student, I hope you all are well and healthy with your family at home. All of you know that the present pandemic COVID-19, because of this, I have started the lecture of English. So please take out your English book and get ready for lecture. Now open your book and come to the page 2. Today our chapter is Adventure of Isabel. Adventure means it can be daring or exciting experience that one you know faces. First we discuss some difficult words to know. Word meaning: enormous, very big; ravenous, very hungry; cruel, extremely unkind; scurry, quick step; rage, anger; hideous, very ugly; zwieback, toasted; satchel, a type of bag; cavernous, a large, dark, cave-like space. Now discuss the theme of the poem. First stanza: Isabel met a big bear. Bear told her that I will eat you. Isabel reaction: didn't scream or scurry, washed her hand and straightened her hair up and eat the bear. Second stanza: Isabel met an ugly witch. I will turn you into ugly toad. Isabel reaction: didn't scream or scurry, she turned the witch into milk and drank her. Third stanza: Isabel met a hideous giant. I will grind your bone to make my bread. Isabel reaction: didn't scream or scurry, she cursed the giant's head off. Isabel met a troublesome doctor, tried to offer some pill. Isabel reaction: didn't scream or scurry, she took pills from pill concoctor. Isabel cured the doctor. Now come back to the page 2. Let's read the poem and come to know how Isabel faced so many challenges. Read the first stanza. Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel didn't care. The bear was hungry, the bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. How do, Isabel? Now I'll eat you. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. Then Isabel quietly ate the bear up. In these lines, the poet talks about the first adventure of Isabel. He says that there was a big bear who was starving, who was very hungry. That bear, when saw Isabel, he felt very glad and he was trying to frighten her and was ready to eat her. But Isabel, she remained calm or unruffled, and instead of crying or becoming afraid, she killed and ate up the animal. Second stanza. Once in a night as black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled. The witch's gum with teeth were sprinkled. Oh, ho, Isabel, the old witch cried, I'll turn you into an ugly toad. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She showed no rage and she showed no rancor. But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. So after the first experience with the bear, Isabel came in contact with ugly witch, who was determined to curse and turn her into toad. She also refused to scream. She simply converted the witch into milk and drank her. Third stanza. Isabel met a hideous giant. Isabel continued self-reliant. The giant was hairy, the giant was horrid. He had one eye in the middle of his forehead. Good morning, Isabel, the giant said. I'll grind your bones to make my bread. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She nibbled the zwieback that she always fed off, and when it was gone, she cut the giant's head off. After that, she met with a horrible-looking giant with one eye. The giant said he will use her for dinner. Isabel refused to be moved. She simply beheaded the giant and continued her adventure. Again she did not move, she just cut the giant's head off and then moved further and met with third adventure. Fourth stanza. Isabel met a troublesome doctor. He punched and he poked till he really shocked her. The doctor's talk was of cough and chills, and the doctor's satchel bulged with pills. The doctor said unto Isabel, swallow this, It will make you well. Isabel didn't worry. Isabel didn't scream or scurry. She took those pills from pill concoctor and Isabel calmly cured the doctor. So finally she met the doctor who seemed to be troubled and he tried all his treatment and later even he offered some pill, but despite all the medication treatment, Isabel didn't get scared or scream. Instead, she stood cool and treated the doctor by her attitude. So these are the adventures that she met with and how she coped up with these adventures. This poem is written by Ogden Nash, who was an American poet. Dear student, subjective and objective notes has been provided, so you write these notes on English need copies. Thanks all of you. May keep praying from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us safe and all the people of the world from the present pandemic COVID-19. Allah Hafiz.